What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 7 o'clock a.m.
What's for breakfast?
I'm having oatmeal and a banana.
How's the weather outside?
It's sunny with a few clouds.
What's on your to-do list for today?
I need to finish a report for work and go grocery shopping.
Are you planning to exercise today?
No, I have some important work today.
Any special plans for dinner?
No, I haven't any special plans for dinner, but tomorrow have.
Did you check your emails yet?
Yes, I checked them this morning.
How's your commute to work?
It was smooth, no traffic today.
Have you called your parents recently?
Yes, I called them yesterday.
What's your favorite way to relax after a long day?
I enjoy reading a book or watching a movie.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and gardening.
Did you drink enough water today?
I'm trying to, but I need to drink more.
Have you set any goals for yourself this week?
Yes, I want to finish reading a book and start a new project.
How's your pet doing?
He's doing great, very playful today.
Have you checked in with your friends lately?
Yes, I chatted with them on WhatsApp yesterday.
Did you remember to pay your bills?
Yes, I paid them online yesterday.
Are you happy with your current job?
Mostly, but I'm considering other opportunities.
What's your favorite way to start the day?
I like to meditate or do some stretching exercises.
Did you learn something new today?
Yes, I learned a new recipe from a cooking show.
Have you done something kind for someone else today?
Yes, I helped my neighbor carry groceries.
How's your sleep been lately?
It's been okay, but I could use more rest.
Have you checked the news today?
Yes, I read the headlines this morning.
Did you take any breaks during work today?
Yes, I took short breaks to stretch and walk around.
Are you saving money for anything specific?
Yes, I'm saving for a vacation next year.
Have you thanked someone for their help recently?
Yes, I thanked my colleague for assisting me with a project.
How's your mental health today?
It's good, feeling positive and focused.
Did you eat any fruits or vegetables today?
Yes, I had an apple for a snack.
Have you been keeping up with your household chores?
Yes, I cleaned the kitchen yesterday.
Did you experience any stress today?
A little, but I manage it with deep breathing exercises.
Have you made any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking with friends on Saturday.
Did you take any photos today?
Yes, I took a few pictures on my morning walk.
Have you checked your social media accounts today?
Yes, I scrolled through Instagram briefly.
Did you listen to any music today?
Yes, I listened to my favorite playlist while working.
Have you planned your meals for the week?
Yes, I made a meal plan and went grocery shopping.
Did you learn something new about yourself today?
Yes, I realized I enjoy trying new activities.
Have you reached out to someone you haven't talked to in a while?
Yes, I sent a message to an old friend.
Did you spend time outdoors today?
Yes, I went for a walk in the park.
Have you done anything to improve your skills today?
Yes, I watched a tutorial on coding.
Did you watch any TV shows or movies today?
Yes, I watched a documentary on Netflix.
Our today's conversation ends here. Bye.